Ladies and gentlemen, media friends and fans of Mercedes-Benz. Hello and welcome to the launch of the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLA. I hope you are all in good health. We are thrilled to host you virtually again. The Mercedes-Benz SUVs are synonymous with all kinds of strength, meaning confidence and power with a hallmark of luxury, status and exclusivity. They carry all the qualities of our brand and keep up with the agility and constant drive for more, which is what our customers strive for. Currently, the Mercedes-Benz luxury SUV family consists of the independent and versatile GLB, the progressive GLC and GLC Coupe, the ultimate SUV, the GLE and the GLE Coupe, the S-Class of the SUVs, the GLS, and finally, the original G-Class, the godfather of all SUVs. Today, the new GLA will join the family as the entry-level model and so completing the Mercedes-Benz SUV portfolio. We have made the GLA better in every aspect. In a short while, Michael Jopp, our Vice President of Sales and Marketing, will explain more, but let me just pick my 3 favorite highlights. Firstly, character. The GLA features a sporty and progressive design that makes it stand out among the SUVs. With its powerful proportions in a compact size, the GLA is definitely a head-turner. Secondly, convenience and comfort. The GLA has truly grown up. It has become taller and a bit shorter in length. In other words, it only gained in size where it provides more convenience for all passengers. And so, it's perfectly suited to the life in the city. And it's of course also equipped with the latest version of the MBUX infotainment system and Mercedes Me Connect. This makes the GLA your perfect personal companion on the road. Thirdly, safety. Passenger safety has always been a core virtue of our brand. The new GLA comes with a host of safety and assistance systems, including active brake assist and parking assist. These systems take care of the passengers inside the car just as well as everyone outside of it. With these qualities, the GLA is the perfect combination of a compact car and SUV, or, in other words, designed for the wilderness, enjoyed in the city. And now, over to you, Michael.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear media friends and fans of Mercedes-Benz, please allow me to introduce you to the Mercedes-Benz GLA. Over the years, the GLA has become a familiar name synonymous with the growing compact car and SUV trend across the country. Today, the GLA is all grown up. The model combines the best elements of 2 very successful segments, compact car and SUV. This enables us to offer a unique lifestyle proposition similar to the bigger GLB that we have recently introduced. The GLA redefines the automotive segments in terms of comfort, functionality as the preferred compact luxury automobile of choice in this segment. The size makes it easy to maneuver within city roads and complements long journeys with comfort and ease. Let me further explain the highlights that Klaus has accurately described earlier. First, its character. As the entry level into the SUV family, the GLA holds firmly on the typical traits of being the youngest sibling in the family. They are fun-loving, yet free-spirited, outgoing and more often stand out in their own ways. They are generally natural charmers with an outgoing personality, and you certainly will not miss their presence in any setting. The GLA features an expressive design and contrasting traits that makes it stand out amongst its siblings. It combines masculine off-roader genes, yet with sensual purity. And it has powerful proportions while yet maintaining compact dimensions. And it has a powerful shoulder and yet a coupe-like silhouette. And these sleek proportions allow the new GLA to cut through the air like a knife through butter. Designed for the wilderness, yet enjoyed in the city. The front identity displays our sportiest and most progressive SUV face. The AMG line includes a chrome grille coupled with 19-inch AMG alloy wheels. More than a commanding view of the road ahead, the GLA offers a rewarding view of what is next. Now, let's head to the interior. The interior design displays new levels of modern luxury. The legroom in the rear has been increased by 12 centimeters, very useful for someone tall like me. The new GLA will give you more space to ride, more room to shop, stow and be spontaneous. There's more to the interior. All around you, as you can see, high quality materials abound for you to luxuriate in. The AMG line adds sporty pedals, seats and steering wheels. 64-color ambient lighting lets you choose the shades that suit your mood. This is also particularly evident with the digital cockpit, the command centers of the GLA seamlessly interconnected systems. Which brings me to the next point, comfort and convenience. The GLA features innovative technology that offers greater convenience to the driver. Klaus already mentioned MBUX, which serves as your personal companion on the road. Coupled with the latest generation of Mercedes Me Connect communication module, you will have access to services like live traffic information or the remote vehicle finder. Life is made so much easier. With the Mercedes Me app, your smartphone becomes the digital link to your Mercedes. You have an overview of all information and control via your vehicle, via the app, and even start your vehicle remotely. The third highlight for how we are aiming at the best or nothing is safety. The new GLA comes with a healthy dose of safety and assistance systems that takes care of the passengers inside the car just as everyone around it. One example is the active brake assist. The system contributes to minimizing the chance of a rear accident with a warning and subsequently braking automatically. Other safety features in the GLA include pre-save system and on the GLA 250, the blind spot assist. No matter if you're cruising down the highway or making your way through the busy cities, you definitely want your car to be as efficient as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, the GLA is available in two variants, starting with the GLA 200 Progressive line. It is powered by a 1.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with 163 horsepower and 250 Newton-meters of torque. It is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and the retail price starts at 244,000 Malaysian ringgits. For those of you who wish for a sportier version, the GLA 250 is available in AMG Line. It is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine which delivers 224 horsepower and 350 Newton-meters of torque. And it is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The retail price starts at 285,000 Malaysian ringgits. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope this unique proposition of the new GLA will open doors to new customer segments nationwide and thus delivering the best experience to you.
Thank you, Michael. Ladies and gentlemen, our intent at Mercedes-Benz is to build the world's most desirable cars. And the new GLA is a perfect example for this. If you think the GLA looks great from where you are now, believe us, it looks even better in real life.
So contact your nearest Mercedes-Benz showroom or visit our website today to book a test drive and experience our lifestyle product at your convenience. Our showrooms are operating as usual with the Mercedes-Benz Star Shield program, designed to protect you, our customers, and our employees.
And if you have further questions, just drop us a comment or a quick note. We look forward to hearing from you. Once again, thank you for joining us. And also, let us be the first to wish you happy holidays and a fantastic year 2021. Thank you.